Hi people, welcome to another episode of PD Vibes Yanis. Today Yanis carry me go the final round of the African World Cup qualifiers when they just play today. So I don't know whether make I dey laugh or make I dey cry. Sha, Nigeria comot for penalty sha, Congo beat them. Normally, mo dey frank with ourselves. This Nigerian team no deserve to go any World Cup. More of us rather stay for the Nigeria, more stay as more dey watch our mates because I no know wetin dey worry these players. So e mean say na only Osimhen we get for that team. If Osimhen no dey, we no fit play ball because I no understand. Dey just comot Osimhen for match, Nigeria just collapse. Congo, we no fit hold ball against Congo. We no play anything. Okay, I wan ask that Tolu guy, how that guy take get move go Premier League club because I no understand. Because for the guy first games when he new enter the Super Eagles team, he get one ginger, one drive, everything just die. You get height, you even top pass Osimhen, you no dey fit win ball for air. You just dey there. Because I no understand wetin I watch today o. I dey watch the match I just dey vex. Abi na we wan talk about goalkeeper. As I say he save for penalty, save penalty. Oga you dey do one kind, as in dey play the ball as if dey do us favour, dey do us Nigerians favour. You no dey do me favour o. Say dey your CV say you go World Cup for your career, you no dey do me favour o. Na yourself you dey do favour o. Because I no wan understand this kind of nonsense wey I dey watch today o. See players, professional players, see wetin dem dey play. Our African best I no just know wetin do that guy. Atlanta for let that guy go the Milan when he wan go make person for get peace. This one no be the Lookman wey we know. See Lookman today, I no believe wetin I dey watch today. E come reach penalty kick na, I no just see I no know. See I no know where this coach make as we all comot so, make dey just e no suppose to carry us go AFCON. Make e just go as make e go Emali wey Kofo. Because I no know this kind nonsense be this one. Because I no understand. E be like if Osimhen no dey match, if Ekong no dey, e be like say the team dey lack leaders. Because I no understand the nonsense of today. See penalty make Simon dey take, Moses Simon. Wetin be that nonsense when you dey take? Wetin carry Ajayi go dey still dey take penalty? Where Ndidi dey? Where our captain? Where Ndidi dey? Onyeka get good ball striking skill. Onyeka no take penalty. Abi Onyeka no finish the match? Because I no just understand. People I no just dey happy at all. I no just dey happy. Everywhere you be like say your blow. I no go lie.